Hello, everyone. It is Mark Hubble with Grove from Libraries with some more 25.11 updates. Today, we're talking about DIS 1502, which allows Google Translate to kind of be embedded within Aspen, um, which then means we get a complete translation of the interface no matter what. Of course, we can still override that either with the English to English translations or with foreign language. So this helps make sure that everything within the Aspen interface is translated. So now if you see anything that remains in English, maybe that we haven't set the translation um, functionality property within the code, and we just need to set that term to be translated. Let's look though at how this gets set up. So if we go to Google API settings, um, there is now down at the bottom here a field for the Google Translate key. I've already entered mine. And that is something that if you have a Google project, you can use that or uh, see if you like your support provider will provide it. So at Grove, we provide those for our partners. Um, we then basically can go into any language. Um, so I'm going to go to my preferences and I'm going to update to French and save those changes. And now everything is in French. We can do a search for, let's see if we have anything on hula hoops. So the first time it's going to be a little bit slow as we go out to Google to translate all of these, all of the different tools. After that, it's super fast. So if we change and instead of searching for hula hoops, let's search for French. And that's much faster because everything is already translated. We can do this even with a brand new language. So I'm going to go into um, our Aspen administration and hope that I can do this in French. If not, we will switch back to English. Again, a little bit slow as it goes through and translates everything on that page. First time only. After that, it's going to be fast. Okay, this is going to be languages and translations. All right, so here's our languages. We're going to add a new language. We're going to do Portuguese. Uh, Portuguese. And this is going to be Portuguese for the region and Portuguese. So as soon as we save that, it's going to become available and it will automatically translate. So there it's available now. We're going to go in and go to our preferences and we're going to change to Portuguese. And again, a little bit slow as we translate these things for the first time. After that, it's going to be fast. Here we go. We are in Portuguese now. And let's search for search for dogs. Looks like we might need to clean up a little bit. So in this case, it translated our parameter. So let's go back into our translations. So if you ever do see something, this is where we can go through and fix things. Again, a little bit slow as we go through and hit it the first time. Let's go through and we'll fix that translation. So that should be in catalog or in events, that kind of thing. So let's go down and there's our languages. We'll look at our translations. We're going to look for anything containing in percent. So that was the original one. We're going to search for that. Uh, and it should be in percent. We will save those and that should correct them. So there we go. We get our correct translation um, and we're all set. So um, we don't expect to have to translate a whole lot. If you do, let us know. But we're really excited to have kind of the full translations within Aspen now with the ability to still have local translations. So if um, your local population refers to something in a different way, so the typical freeze hold, thaw hold, that can be called a bunch of different things that would potentially still need to be translated in multiple locations. So um, thanks, and we're looking forward to hearing how people use this. So we'll talk to you again soon. Thanks. Bye.